Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you are doing well. Today our topic is good manners. As we have already learned in our previous classes what are good manners, but today we will discuss this topic in more detail. So let's start our topic. What are manners? Manners are a set of behaviors or a way in which a thing is done or happens. Or we can say manners are an expression of inner character. Manners are important to make a good impression on others in our daily life. They also helps you to feel good about yourself and your identity. No matter where you are, at your home or with your friends, practicing good manners are important. Our religion Islam also teaches us to have good manners. Now we will see what are social etiquettes. Social etiquettes is defined as the formal manners and rules that are followed in our society, or the customary code of polite behavior in our society is called etiquette. Respect, kindness, and consideration form the basis of good manners and good citizenship. Etiquette becomes the language of manners. Rules of etiquette cover behaviors in talking, acting, living, and moving. In other words, every type of interaction and every situation. Students, we will discuss the manners for attending a gathering. Islam is not only a religion which guides the Muslim about ibadah, but is also a complete code of life and teaches Muslim about little to big things of life. Islam teaches different manners to the Muslim and the etiquettes of gathering are one of them. Following are the etiquettes of gathering in Islam. First of all, when you enter in a gathering, you must seek permission and must say salam, trying to be punctual and arrive on time. When you enter and leave, you must greet. When you enter in a gathering, you should sit at the place which is free or available at the time when you enter the gathering. Do not laugh or make fun of others. Always give respect to others. Not to sit in the middle of circle or in between two people who are already sitting close to each other. Do not backbite, do not gossip, speak clearly and politely and dress up according to the gathering. Simplicity. Our Prophet Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, simplicity is a part of faith. Absence of simplicity is the complex methods adopted in conducting our daily life. Those who does not live simply remain distracted by various trivial things of life. They will not be able to focus their minds on the high realities of life. Our holy Prophet ﷺ led a very simple life and his companions always followed his example and adopted simplicity in their lives. So, being a true Muslim, we must also adopt simplicity in our lives too. Punctuality. Punctuality means to complete a task within the expected time. Islam teaches us to be punctual in our daily life. We came in this world for a limited time and for a particular purpose. So we should not waste our time in useless things. Now we will see the examples of punctuality. We perform namaz 5 times a day on a particular time. The formation of day and night is also the best example of punctuality. Fasting in the month of Ramzan is a best example of punctuality. Now students, hope you understand this lesson and I am giving you an activity that make a chart for the good manners that you follow at your home. Thank you.